What's up, folks? Welcome back to our channel, where today we will discuss some of the best medium format cameras on the market. Medium format is mostly linked with film photography, but like everything else in this environment, it has now gone digital to keep up with the changing conditions. Medium format is alive and well in the digital time, thanks to the availability of medium format DSLRs and digital camera quarterbacks that can be attached to traditional medium format film cameras to enable them to take digital images. In this video, we will show you some of the cream products out there. Check out the description below for more information and its pricing. Experience the distinct perspective of medium format photography with the unique 645Z. The 645Z medium format DSLR camera of Pentax highlights a 43.8 by 32.8mm CMOS sensor with 51.4 powerful megapixels. The sensor is produced without an anti-aliasing filter to maximize sharpness and features. Raw files can be registered at 14-bit and saved using either the proprietary PEF format or Adobe's DNG format. An ISO range of 100 to 204,800 and a high SN ratio produces low noise, low light capability, and the Prime 3 image processor lends itself to fast image capture with a maximum of 3 frames per second continuous shooting. The SA-Fox2 autofocus module utilizes 27 autofocus points, including 25 cross-type sensors and 3 AF sensors dedicated to low light focusing. The new real-time scene analysis system features an 86,000 pixel RGB light metering sensor for improved exposure, white balance, and autofocusing. Distinguished by its large sensor, advanced image capabilities, and modular design, the GFX 50S of Fujifilm is a single medium format mirrorless camera that is exceptionally versatile and distinctly compact. At the core of the GFX camera operation is the 43.8 by 32.9mm 51.4MP CMOS sensor, which matches the X Processor Pro image processor to create files with extended dynamic range and high resolution, as well as an expansive sensitivity range of ISO 50 to 102,400 for working in challenging lighting conditions. The sensor's large form factor also produces a unique three-dimensional look with exceptionally smooth tonal and color transformations. Beyond this, the sensor and processor blend also avails the ability to work in a variety of aspect ratios common to conventional large and medium format film cameras, as well as the capability to shoot up to 3 frames per second or record Full HD 1080p 30 video. Most experts will choose function over style every time, but the X1D feels like it sights at a very different, design-conscious market. It's a much more minimal statement camera than the Fujifilm GFX 50R, notwithstanding sharing the same dimensions and sensor specs. It's also more valuable. However, the Hasselblad lenses are excellent, as is the image quality, mainly the dynamic range. The Hasselblad X1D II 50C is a smooth and exceptionally competent mirrorless camera, defined by its thoughtful design and powerful imaging abilities. The second-generation X system camera shows a revised and intensified feature set designed to accelerate performance and make overall operation even more natural and streamlined. At the core of the X1D II remains the large 43.8 by 32.9mm 50MP CMOS sensor, which allows high-resolution imagery with a broad 14-stop dynamic range, 16-bit color depth, and an ISO 100 to 25,600 sensitivity range. This sensor uses Hasselblad's natural color solution too, which gives realistic, pleasing color tones for high consistency and smooth tonal transitions. The Fujifilm GFX 50R is a sleek medium format mirrorless camera that is distinctly portable and extremely capable. Revolving around a 43.8 by 32.9mm 51.4MP CMOS sensor, which is matched with the X Processor Pro image processor. The GFX 50R is competent of delivering high-resolution still imagery with an extensive dynamic range, a wide sensitivity range up to a comprehensive ISO 102,400. The sensor's large size contributes to a unique three-dimensional look with exceptionally smooth tonal and color shifts. The sensor and processor also permit recording Full HD 1080p 30 video. Profiting the imaging capabilities is a healthy physical design, which includes a 3.69 m.OLED electronic viewfinder for bright, clear eye level viewing. Alternatively, the rear 3.2-inch 2.36 m touchscreen LCD highlights a three-way tilting design that supports operating from high and low angles, even when shooting in the vertical orientation. Furthermore, the GFX 50R has a durable magnesium alloy build that is also dust and weather sealed and freeze-proof down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit for working in trying environmental situations. The Fujifilm GFX 100 is a medium-format mirrorless camera created for a true multimedia workflow. Surpassing with still photography apps, the 102MP 43.8 by 32.9mm BSI CMOS sensor achieves extraordinary image quality with great sensitivity to a native ISO 12800. Making utilization of the X processor 4, the GFX 100 is competent in outputting 16-bit raw imagery with a wide dynamic range and moderate noise levels. Additionally, the BSI design of the sensor contributes to high clarity and precise color rendering when operating in a variety of lighting situations. Also, making usage of the full width of the sensor, DCI and UHD 4K video recording is possible at 42:0 10-bit internally, 42:2 10-bit through HDMI, or RAW 12-bit if recording to Atomos Ninja 5. And an F-Log gamma setting can also be employed for more advanced color grading during post-production. Furthermore, the sensor's design also includes an expansive 3.76 m point face detection autofocus system for quick, accurate AF performance and subject tracking for both images and video. And that's the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all enjoy the video. Until next time!